Hey crochet artists, welcome to my YouTube channel Crochet Like Pro. Today you'll learn how to crochet rose flower. And firstly, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and like, share and comment. So firstly, I make total 45 chains. After making 45 chain, I count first 3 chains. Okay, I left three chains, and then insert the hook inside the yarn and pull the yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I repeat this process to the entire chain. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Here the double chain is ready. Now we learn how to make petals.